Making money online is now in 2022 much more easier than before. I make researches for you guys, and now I found a trending way to make money online. So this is really new and untapped method to make money online, which I'm going to be revealing to you today. And before we go into that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn up notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That will really help this video to go more viral and to reach many people that want to learn how to make money online. So with that being said, let's dive into today's video. First website we need is Google search. So we want to go to Google search, the #1 search engine in the world. So we want to use the power of Google search to earn $800 per day in 2022 or even more. So what we need to do now, first of all, my advice for you is to start doing this method after you watch this video, because it is trending now and it is really new untapped method. So before it gets saturated, I want you to be the first one to get access to this method. So this is why I will advise you to start implementing this method after watching this video. So now we are already on Google search. So we want to search for Google News. So we write Google News. When we click on search, so it's going to bring us to the Google News. And when we're on Google News, we want to go to the left side here and search for health. Okay, so now we're already on the health. This is where we can get new news that just came out on Google not quite long. As you see, this first one now is for 11 hours ago, and this other one is since 15 hours ago. All right, guys. So what we're going to be doing now is we want to click this blog here. Okay, this cancer patient cured after doctor turbocharge blood's immune cells. So I think this is a very interesting one, guys. There are also lots of interesting news here on Google News. So this is why we want to use this method for us to earn money online. And believe me when I say this is really untapped method. So you want to make sure you start implementing this method right away. So if you know you're going to implement this method, comment below, let me know. Just write I will implement this method right now. Okay, and also give this video a like. Smash the like button. I really appreciate you. We're going to click on the blog. So now we're already on the blog, guys. Okay, this is the blog here. Cancer patients cured after doctors turbocharge blood's immune cells. So this is a really interesting blog, guys, okay, that we want to use to implement this method I'm going to show you today. Okay. So the first thing we want to do now is that we want to copy these articles here. This is all the articles here. We want to copy it. There are still more articles down here, but for example, we just want to copy these first articles here. Okay, we want to copy it, and after copying that, we want to go to the next website I'm going to be showing you today. So we want to go to spinboard.com. I already paste these words here, guys. Okay, spinboard.com is going to twist and change these articles for you in your own way. So you don't need to do this. This Spinboard is going to do the work for you. So what we want to do now is that after pasting this word here on Spinboard, once again, this is already spinboard.com, we want to go and click on spin it. So we just have to make this little pause here. So we just put it here. And that's it. So we already have these articles here at the right side been rewriting for us. And this article, we can reuse it. What we now need to do is that I want to copy the rewriting words here. Okay, this is the rewriting articles. We want to copy it. So we want to copy that. First of all, what we need to see is that this word is, we have 833 words here, guys. We go down to the next step, which is the step that we're going to be using these articles to make money for us. So now we want to go to the next website, which is called Eatwell.com. This is already Eatwell.com. As you can see, this is a blog that they are making millions of dollars every year, and they will pay you and me to upload our articles on their blog, and we're going to get paid for it. But first of all, let me just show you this, everything you need to know about how to pitch and write stories to Eatwell.com and Eatwell magazine. So this is what we're going to be doing. We want to be pitching these articles on Eatwell.com. Let's just go down here so I can show you how much you can make per word. You can make up to $1 per word. So if we go back real quick to Spinboard.com, we will see that we have 833 words here. Okay, if you want to make the math, we see that is $833 just for this simple method and trick I'm showing you here. So you need to really start doing this. First of all, we just need to go to Got Good News and then go to under health. Okay, you can also go to under sport, something like diet. You can take something like diet food or food cooking, diet food plan and all that kind of things. Okay, all these blogs are really good for this method, guys. Okay, so this is what we want to do. We want to focus on LD niche. Okay, we want to focus on LD articles, guys, and we can come here to eatingwell.com and pitch days on this blog. Once again, this blog are making millions of dollars every year by doing this. If you may ask that, how are they making the money? These are some ways that they used to make the money. Are all these banners here from they make money from Google AdSense and much more. This is what I want to show you guys. You can start now to implement this method and start earning money by doing this. But you need to do this at least every day. So it means you can earn over $800 every day with this method. If you want to do this automated, I will leave a link in the description to a software that is going to be doing this for you every day. This is a Google glitch software that is going to be doing this repeatedly every day for you, so you can earn money even without no working. You just have to set it up one time and this will be making money for you automatically without not touching anything. So this is what I want to show you today, guys. Don't forget, I will leave a link to that software in this video description, so you make sure you go check that out and start using this method to earn money for you even on automated way. I hope you do enjoy this video. If so, make sure you give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell button so next time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified before it gets saturated. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one.